Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, white color and black color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is Z. G for goat. Kids, now H. The alphabets of H and hue is yellow color. Yellow color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. Kids, now O. The alphabets of O and hue is blue color. Blue color. This is O. O for orange. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for tiger. It's neither U. The alphabets of U and U is green color. Green color. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for Xmas tree. This is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.